Tony Robbins always says, the person with the most certainty wins. So your job as a coach is to constantly stay inspired, to constantly be learning and evolving and deepening that certainty that your success is inevitable. Entrepreneurship is a spiritual journey. So the importance of having a connection with yourself, with your highest self, with the divine, whatever resonates for you, whatever a quote unquote spiritual practice looks like for you, I think it's way more important than a lot of coaches are giving it credit for. And what that means is that it's our job to carve out the time in our day to fill our own cup. It's our job to carve out the time from our family, from our to-do list, from our inbox, from our clients. And it's still important to make sure that you are filling that cup of inspiration, you're filling that cup of positive belief and hope and faith, because it can be very easy to get caught up in the to-dos, to get caught up in the comparison of what other coaches are doing out in the field. And your practice, your spiritual practice, again, whatever that means to you, your mindset practice, your spiritual practice, your meditation practice, your journal practice, whatever that looks like, whatever flavor, shape, and form that takes, is so integral to your overarching success. Catch all the episodes at theprofitablecoach.com or your favorite podcast player.